This is the mirror principle. The quality of your relationship with yourself influence the quality of your relationship with others. It is now time to reflect, to see, to feel, to treat our bodies, our hearts, and your capacity to know your heart's desires, your confidence. Listen to your inner wisdom, because your capacity to love yourselves determine your capacity to love others more and to love others unconditionally. You won't find what you have been looking for until you look in the mirror. Totoo yan. Makikita natin ang ating secret beauty, ang ating real beauty, and everything else will follow. We are going to meet ourselves, connect with ourselves, and remember who we really are. This is looking at yourself when not judging yourself, when you are not putting pressure on yourself, when you are not rejecting yourself. Most sa atin, feeling natin we are not good enough, we are not worthy, at lagi natin kinukumpara ang ibang tao sa sarili natin. Now, this time, we look at ourselves at the mirror and see who we really are without judging ourselves. Sa salamin niyo lang po makikita ang tunay na nagmamahal sa inyo. When everyone else left you, when everyone else forsake you, tingin lang po sa mirror. May nagmamahal po sa inyo doon. Yung taong yun ang strongest na tao na nakilala nyo.